Just a little free air on the earthquake I got. Just gonna get you some better light. Should be a little bit better. Just before I put it in the box. Might show a little bit of the basket too, what I like about it. But yeah, that's pretty much on the mechanical limit. If I go one more click, it'll bottom out. I don't know if you could hear it, but it was getting pretty close. Here's the magnet on this thing. It's actually got, I think they're about 6-inch slugs. 1 inch thick. So it's like just a 6x2 magnet structure. Then the, that's before the top plate and the back plate and everything. It's got a very interesting design on the basket. I tried to get in my other video, but not really good enough light. It's powder coated or something, not really sure, but it's pretty cool. And it's all the way through. It's on the back of the spokes, all around the basket and everything. So it's not just cheaply done. Nice heavy duty magnet boot. Good and solid. Keeps you from chipping your motor up. The surround on this thing is pretty good. Spider's a little soft. Feels like it's more of a sealed enclosure kind of sub. But here it is compared to the Jensen. It's actually got about the same surround on it. But where they differ, obviously, build quality is going to be better with the earthquake. The motor, huge difference. But the earthquake has 2 slugs on it that are actually bigger than this. Just to give you an idea of which that's really kind of a small slug. But, yeah. Nice heavy speaker wire. I got all this running off the Sony. But, yeah, that's just me stretching out the earthquake a little bit.